How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, we're going to go over a few cool features of our MultiColor Virtue-8. So I went ahead and brought a red, blue, amber unit here, and you'll see my unit is in warning mode. Now while you're in warning mode, you have multicolor flash patterns to choose from, and again, this is a red, blue, amber unit, so my unit is going between red, blue, the primary colors, and amber, my secondary color. And then I can cycle to my single color flash patterns as well. So say I wanted to get a red, blue flash pattern programmed in my warning mode, I can easily do that by cycling to those flash patterns. And then say I want to activate my Traffic Advisor. Now my Traffic Advisor has a separate memory from my warning mode. So, and again in my Traffic Advisor I have my multicolor flash patterns here, or I can cycle through my multicolor patterns, I can go through my red, blue patterns, and then I'll also have amber flash patterns here as well. So I can get my unit programmed on an amber flash pattern in my Traffic Advisor, and then when I go back to my warning mode, I will be in red, blue. Or I can program my warning mode in amber if I'd like to, or in a multicolor pattern if you'd like to do that as well. But for example, here we'll go to an amber flash pattern, and then when I go back to my Traffic Advisor, you'll see that it's still holding amber here, but say I want to turn my Traffic Advisor into a red-blue mode. I can easily do that by cycling to the red-blue flash patterns. And again, those will be after your multicolor patterns here. So you'll see I'm in a red-blue flash pattern. And then again, my unit will hold its memory and warning mode separate from the Traffic Advisor. So when I activate my warning mode, it will be amber, and then I can go back to my red-blue mode. So you'll see there's plenty of options that you can program into your MultiColor Virtue-8. Now I did bring a red, blue, amber unit for example, but we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in dual, tri, and 4 color configurations in multicolor. Or we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool if you need a custom setup for your vehicle. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.